your eyes. Listen carefully. Every sound tells you one thing. You have found a place that's truly extraordinary. Leave the city behind. Life moves differently here.
Samriddhi Group proudly brings you Lona Valley, where every sunrise reminds you why some places are meant to be experienced.
A thoughtfully planned 125-acre gated community stayed amidst the breathtaking landscapes of Lonavala, offering proposed resort and plots for those who value space, privacy, and meaningful experiences. Designed around a lifestyle that evolves with every visit, whether it's riverside kayaking and boating, creating unforgettable memories with your family, simply reconnecting with nature, Lona Valley offers the perfect setting. For grand celebrations, the project also features premium paid lifestyle facilities, including a banquet hall with an open garden, dedicated spaces for destination weddings and corporate events, a swimming pool, gazebos, indoor and outdoor activity zones, a commercial area, and a grand entrance gate, thoughtfully designed to elevate every occasion. At Lona Valley, proposed resort and plots start from 10,000 square feet, giving you the freedom to build exactly the way you envision.
Timeless European lavish bungalow,
A contemporary container home, an eco-friendly mud house, or a traditional Maharashtrian, Konkani or Kerala style residence. This isn't just a destination, it's a way of life. Just 2 minutes from Lona Valley lies the breathtaking Shirota Dam, set against the majestic Rajmachi ranges and surrounded by lush forests and pristine backwaters. As cool winds sweep across the mountain ridges, passing the nearby windmills before gliding over the water, they create a naturally refreshing breeze that can be enjoyed throughout the year. This unique landscape offers a calm and cool environment, making every visit to Lona Valley truly refreshing. Located in the heart of scenic Western Ghats, Lonavala is one of India's most sought-after destinations, celebrated for its breathtaking landscapes, pristine water bodies, and year-round pleasant climate. Designed to enhance your lifestyle, a grand entrance gate, security cabin with guards, CCTV surveillance, 9-meter, 12-meter, and 15-meter wide internal tar road, electricity connection, overhead water tank, distinctively demarcated plots. Every proposed resort and plot comes with an individual 712 extract and registered sale deed, ensuring complete confidence in your ownership.
This project is PMRDA sanctioned, and along with your proposed resort and plot, we provide you with a PMRDA approved luxurious 6 BHK bungalow plan for your personal retreat resort. Your dream retreat is already thoughtfully planned, because at Lona Valley, you are not just investing in land, you are investing in a lifestyle that generations will cherish.
Stunning location, right? But is it well connected? Just 20 minutes from Lonavala, just 7 kilometers from the old Pune-Mumbai highway. Enjoy seamless road, rail and air connectivity with effortless access to major corporate hubs, top metro cities and key transportation networks.
Navi Mumbai International Airport brings you closer to the world, while seamless railway connectivity keeps every journey convenient. The newly opened Mumbai-Pune Missing Link is just minutes from the project, offering faster and more convenient travel between Mumbai and Pune. Just minutes away, the upcoming Pune Ring Road adds exceptional connectivity and long-term value. Kamshet, famous for paragliding and adventure, is just around the corner. Count the moments, not the miles. From the fast-paced streets of Mumbai to the vibrant energy of Pune, Lona Valley keeps you effortlessly connected to both, while giving you the freedom to escape the noise whenever you choose. Away from the everyday traffic chaos of Mumbai and Pune, yet close enough to reach either city comfortably whenever life, business, or family calls you back. Whether it's a spontaneous weekend getaway, peaceful work from nature retreat, or a lifetime investment, Lona Valley lets you enjoy the best of both worlds. High speed living has a new address. Here's a question worth asking yourself. 5 years from today, will you be glad you invested in Lona Valley today or wish you had?
When you invest in land, location is important, but timing is everything. Lonavala has consistently witnessed remarkable appreciation driven by infrastructure development, tourism, and the growing demand for premium land investments. Now is the opportunity to invest before the next phase of growth. Thinking about the value, right? Let's put it into perspective.
This is the market comparison table. Today's value won't wait for tomorrow. Invest now and be part of Lona Valley's next chapter of growth. World-renowned heritage sites like Karla Caves, Bhaje Caves, Betse Caves, and Ekvirai Temple are just minutes away. Historical forts and breathtaking viewpoints including Tikona Fort, Lohgarh Fort, Visapur Fort, Korigad Fort, Lion Point, and Duke's Nose surround the destinations. Life-flowing dams such as Shirota Dam, Uksan Dam, Valvan Dam, Bhushi Dam, and Pauna Lake are just minutes away. And the best part, the Indrayani River flows right through the project. Modern corporate hubs like ICICI Learning Center, Peninsula Corporate Park, HCL Tech Reliable Tech Park, and many more are all connectively located nearby. Looking for fun? Dela Adventure Park, Wait and Joy Water Park are just around the corner. Everything you need: heritage, nature, adventure, connectivity, and modern convenience are just minutes away. Years from now, your children won't remember the money sitting in your bank account. They'll remember the weekends you spent together, the fresh mountain air and the laughter, the memories and the place you choose to call your own. Lona Valley gives you the freedom to create the life you have always imagined. Don't just hear about Lona Valley. Come and experience it. Walk the land, feel the cool breeze, witness the breathtaking surroundings, and discover why so families and investors are choosing Lona Valley as their next destination. Here you will find happiness, a lasting legacy, rewarding returns on investment, an elevated lifestyle, fresh oxygen, and the luxury of open spaces. With limited units available, this opportunity won't last forever. Come for an exclusive site visit and discover the paradise you have been always searching for. You're just one call away from making it yours. So why wait? Call now. Lona Valley by Samriddhi Group.